make an upside down pineapple cake. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt 4 tablespoons of butter and a half a cup of dark brown sugar. Bring to the boil and mix until the sugar is bubbly and slightly more brown. Pour the syrup mixture into a baking pan and spread into an even layer, allowed to cool slightly. Arrange pineapple slices and cherries in the cake pan. Reserve a half a cup of the pineapple juice. In a bowl, cream together 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of sugar, mix until light and fluffy. Then add in 2 eggs, one at a time, mix until well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. In a bowl, mix together 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix and then set aside. Then add the flour mixture in 2 batches. And the pineapple juice in 2 batches. Mix until well combined. Spread the batter over the fruit. The batter is quite thick. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until a cake tester comes out clean. Cool for 10 minutes, then invert the cake.